The biggest change since my Optifast weight loss has been less stress, and it's been less depressing. This was a very easy program for us. We did it together, and when I say less stress, you just basically you stick to the nutritional advice that you're getting from your coaches, and you stick to your Optifast plan, and the weight comes off. My wife was my inspiration for this because she actually started the program first. And since she did that, she came home, we talked about it, we decided to try it together, and mutually we support each other. So the support's been great at home. The things that helped me in the weight loss journey with Optifast was the fact that we were getting the nutritional coaching, from our nutritionist. The program was very easy, and anytime we got that craving, the food was it was right there. It's already pre-packaged, it's ready to go. You're getting all your nutrients and everything in it, and this was the first supplement I tried that actually satisfied my hunger. So I could eat a bar, and I was good. Wish I'd have tried sooner. That's what I'd tell myself today. Very easy program, like I say, and it made a world of difference. If someone's struggling and they hadn't got help yet, I've already talked to several of my coworkers. They were very interested in the program because they can tell the dramatic weight loss with myself and my wife. So we always recommend the Optifast program, and I've actually had coworkers that are already on the program now and are having great success with it. The first thing is, you have to admit you need the help to yourself first, and then you got to go out and get it. Optifast program for me, as far as my quality of life, it's increased my energy level. I'm more focused now. I'm not worried about when I'm eating or what I'm gonna be eating. It's easy for me because I can take that with me. So it's actually increased my efficiency at work. I don't have to stop and go to lunch and come back. I have my meals right there. They're ready to go. I don't have to count calories. So like I say, it's just less stress, less drama, and it works.